When sizing for a flexi, a good place to start is to measure the size of your ponytail either by its thickness or by the length around its base. Once you know the Flexi Clip size that's right for your ponytail, your clip size will range from a size up, for bundling all your hair up, to a size below, when you want to hold an amount of hair that's less than your ponytail. Here are some factors to consider when buying a Flexi Clip for yourself or as a gift. First, think about hair type. Is the hair very kinky curly, wavy, or is it really pin straight? Second, hair texture. Is the hair cuticle baby fine and slippery or coarse and thick in feel? Third, length. Is the hair short, shoulder length, or past the waist? Depending on hair type and texture, length can affect how much hair is bundled into a bun or any kind of updo. And lastly, hairstyle. How do you wear your hair up? Most women do a variation of a ponytail, half up, up down, or a bun. The Flexi Clip comes in 7 sizes that cover every hair type, texture, and length. It all depends on the size that fits you just right.